everyone, this is Miss Kelsey here with another story time in the garden. I'm here in the courtyard, and since it's January, it's still a little bit chilly outside. This week we're going to read about animals that live in the Arctic, where it's really cold and snowy all the time. This one's called One Little Penguin and His Friends. So who do we have on the cover? There's a penguin, and what's he doing? He's fishing. He's ice fishing. There's a hole in the ice. He caught a nice big fish. Who hides under the ice? One big whale and two gray seals. Three laughing polar bear cubs. 1, 2, 3. Who throws snowballs at Papa Bear? Who lives on the ice banks? A family of 4 walruses. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 2 of them have tusks because only the male walruses have the big long tusks. Who sniffs footprints in the snow? 5 Arctic fox cubs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who plays hide and seek between the snowdrifts? 6 Arctic hares. A hare is like a bunny. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Arctic hares. Who eats moss in the forest? 7 shy reindeer, just like Rudolph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 shy reindeer. Who flies between the rocks? 8 playful penguins. All right, ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 playful puffins. Who swoops and dives in the big blue sky? 9 noisy Arctic terns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Arctic terns. A tern is a special kind of bird. We have them here too, but they're a little different than the Arctic terns. Who leaps and plays in the ocean waves? Who does that look like? It's an orca. 10 leaping orca. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 leaping orca. And who lives in the icy little home? It's me. What a cute book. Thanks for joining me. So this week for our craft, since we were talking about cold Arctic animals, one of those is a penguin. It's one of my favorites, a little bird that waddles around. Can you walk like a penguin? So this week we are making a penguin out of a paper plate. So you can check out the tutorial to make this on our Google Classrooms page. Just make sure to go to education or keywest.garden/education. Click on the link to sign up for our Google Classrooms for free, and we'll show you how to make our penguin craft. So basically, we cut out our little orange feet, and then we taped them to the back of our plate, and then we folded the 3 sides of the plate down. We painted it black to look like a penguin, and then cut out his eyeballs and his beak and glued that on as well. So today's activity, we're going to do a counting activity. So just like our craft, you can find this on our Google Classroom page. We're going to be counting animals. So just as an example, we're going to do one together. So let's count how many sea turtles we have. It says there are blank sea turtles. So let's count together. Ready? 1, 2 sea turtles. We have 2. So in our space right here, we're going to write the number 2. There are 2 sea turtles. So make sure to visit our Google Classrooms to do the activity yourself. Thanks for joining me this week, and I hope to see you next week.